This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 19 in Amazon EC2 instance or Linux operating system. Here you can see Amazon AWS console, and here you can see one EC2 instance is running, and copy this public IPv4 address, open Putty software, and it is successfully connected to EC2 server. Next I am checking current Java version, and JDK is not installed in this EC2 instance, so it is showing command not found. The current directory is EC2 user, and we will log into WinSCP also. Copy this IPv4 address, home EC2 user. We will go to that folder, and currently this folder is empty. Next, go to this Oracle website, and here you can see Java 19, and if you want to download Linux related JDK files, you can download from here. Mac OS you can download from here, and Windows operating system you can download from here. We want to download Linux, and in this we want to download this tar.gz file. Copy the link address, use wget command, then paste the URL, click on enter, and it is downloading the GZ file, and it is successfully downloaded. And here you can see the GZ file is successfully downloaded. Next we have to untar the GZ file, and it is successfully untar. Click on refresh, and here you can see. Next we have to move the JDK 19 folder to user share folder, and it is successfully moved. Next we have to use vim command and open profile, and in that we have to add these three lines: Java home, path, and class path. I have added Java home path and class path. Now save the changes, and changes are successfully saved. We can double check, open the profile again, and here you can see Java home path and class path is present. Now check the Java version, and still it is showing command not found. Close this putty window and re-log in again. Now check the Java version, and now you can see the Java version 19 is successfully installed. After re-login, whatever changes we have done in profile has taken effect. And the Java C command is working. Next we will see how to run the Hello World Java program. Here you can see Hello World Java program, and move to EC2 user folder, and it is successfully compiled. Here you can see dot class file is created. Next I am running the Hello World program using Java command, and here we got the output Hello World. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description, click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.